revving it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey.
Alright, so we're actually heading to a Nars event.
I'm trying to take a Climaxx break. So thank you guys all so much for coming to our VIP reveal of Climaxx. What do you guys think of the mascara?
Alright guys, so now I am going to get my hair done by Ashley. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do, so I'm gonna try to see if I can actually record some stuff while I'm getting my hair done, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back. I am currently at one of my clients' place. I am actually doing makeup. I've done one client so far. I'm waiting on the other one. She went to go get me some breakfast because we're actually in a pretty early shoot here in Chicago, which I'm pretty much excited about. I don't want to talk too much about it, but hopefully I'll be able to release those photos on my Instagram so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I am currently like trying to clean up this area so I can, like, you know, accommodate my next client. I had to get up this morning at 4:30 a.m. to get dressed and to be here on time to do 2 clients. So today I'm gonna be doing like a whole, well, not whole, but like more so half day photo shoot. And what else do I have to do? I probably have to meet up with a friend. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to because I'm gonna be like super tired, but I don't know what I'm gonna do afterwards. I probably should go sleep because tomorrow I got a long ass day. But anyways, I'm gonna take you guys with me today on this photo shoot, and I'm gonna try to see if I can go do my makeup, and then I'll be right back. Okay, girl. Nikki, say hi to the vlog. Huh? Hi. Hi. Said hi. Hi. Okay, mad girl. She's so crazy, guys. Hi. Oh my god. What is Polo doing? Oh my god.
Hello, trying to find us some noodles, girl.
He's over there talking to the damn cops.
The little ramen noodles, they be having little, you know, the writing on the bottom.
Alright, so let's show you like a little sneak peek of behind the scenes of what we're doing today. Let's turn on the camera. Okay, here we go.